What's happening?
Chill out.
Good hole.
That was fun.
Wow!
Okay, we're doing
You are such a rock star.
That was so awesome. Yes.
Wait, you want to rinse?
Okay, to go. Oh, again. All right, you guys,
Oh, one more.
chill out.
One more. Oh!
Oh, I love my life.
Wow. Oh, I got the whole thing. Whole thing.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
No,
I was
you
filming the scenery and then.
Chill out. It was worth it.
Team LTD would be so proud.
I'm so glad. It's the best way to end 22 years of my life. It's 23 tomorrow. Yeah, we're going again.
We just discovered the craziest, coolest bar in the entire universe. Entire universe. Come, follow me. Omar, how dope is this?
Dude, this is one of the coolest spots in High.
100%.
Very hidden, very exclusive, not known about by most of the public, but we're here.
Amazing. And that's not it. Come up here. Bro,
We're in a secret freaking bar right now. This is insane.
how cool is this?
I like the roof of this. This is crazy. We're like outside right now.
This is a full-blown bar, and it's the coolest bar I've ever been to in my entire life. This is in Pai, Thailand. This is so gnarly. Oh, I love it. Asia has my heart. Oh no. No, please no. Sir, please no. 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 Jacob. We're just gonna have a couple drinks tonight. Take her easy. Get to bed early because tomorrow morning we're up at 6. We're headed to Chiang Mai. Elephant Sanctuary.
Oh my god, yes. Yes.
Elephant Sanctuary. And then tomorrow we're gonna go out once again for Katie's birthday. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Where are you from?
I'm from Israel.
Israel. I like Israel. You're my favorite Israel girl I've ever met.
I'm the first one that you ever met.
Correct.
So I'm the first one.
But you're.
I would try to be gentle with you because, you know, I was like in the army and I'm like pretty badass.
We love our new Canadian friend here. I'll try to pick him a good piece. That one looks nice and juicy. This is a nice and juicy piece of watermelon. Oh, there's another one coming in. Somebody feed this guy, he's hungry.
There you go, go.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. How big it is. Go for it. He's hungry. He is. We have to go. He's hungry. Pet him, babe.
Apparently when you start feeding them, you gotta keep feeding them or else they'll get mad. They gotta eat. I wonder how many watermelons they could eat.
Well, I heard they can turn 10% of their body fat per day. So if they weigh 4,000 pounds, that means they're eating 400. And I think they weigh more than 4,000 pounds.
Wow!
10% of their body weight, dude, that's insane.
They eat 400 pounds?
Yeah, that'd be the equivalent of us eating like 20 pounds a day, 30 pounds a day.
That's unreal.
There you go. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Sandwich. Hold on. Let me see, Robbie. Let me see.
Robbie.
See if you can take it off.
Robbie made a sandwich.
Có this one like dinner, she loves everything.
Yeah.
But first they might prefer, but
They have beautiful eyes. Their eyes are very inquisitive. Elephants are so cute. This one must have been in the mud.
15 bananas.
So crazy, man. Look at these beautiful things. Absolutely incredible animals.
I am so in love. I cannot even deal with this right now. This is insane.
They're amazing.
Amazing.
Hello. You're awfully cute. Aw. It just waved at me. I'm on an elephant scale right now.
So everyone has to
Look how much I weigh.
record every.
I weigh 79 kilos. I thought I lost a bit of weight, that sucks. We're approaching a male here. Apparently he's a huge stud. He's got 3 different girlfriends in the park here. His pheromones are so strong, we can smell them. Yeah, when it's mating time, the women elephants come to his luxury condo and do some mating. His name is Jungle Boy. He's got a luxury condo here on the property. The females just come right to him because they can smell him. Straight up, that's how it works. He's 21 years old. He's got a beautiful life ahead of him. How many children is Jungle Boy gonna have?
If we don't keep him inside the room, maybe more.
Yeah.
For baby, but 3 are the boys. Only one daughter.
You can actually smell them. The males, they attract the females with their scent. Super interesting. The elephant we're gonna walk up to right now has a mental illness. She's pretty much in solitary for the next decade, I think, is what she said. She killed a man because he was beating her and she was being overworked. Now she's got some little mental issues. Hopefully she makes it out soon. What's up, guys? We just popped into Chiang Mai, Thailand. We're here for 2 nights at this awesome hotel. It's called the Empress Hotel. Look at the view. Super sweet. A very nice pool down there. Very nice. 2 beds popped together to make you California king, of course. The bathroom. It's nice. The other night in Bangkok, Jacob ate a scorpion, and I couldn't bring myself to do that. But I told him that I would get a tattoo of a scorpion because I didn't eat one. You guys just met. You're on a Kitiki tour. Night 1. You're gonna eat a scorpion.
Yay!
Are you gonna have a bite?
No chance.
Smile! Cheers!
OMG.
Oh wow.
So crispy. Is it nice? It's just really crispy. It's juicy in the middle.
It's really hard. For the vlog. I'm too soon.
For the vlog.
To see if I fall
Do it
for
for
the
the
vlog.
vlog.
That's starting a serious slippery slope right now.
You guys are incredible. Oh, you're going for it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ow, ow.
Yeah! Yes! Out of 10, how does the scorpion taste?
It's not that bad. It's just so crunchy. My teeth feel like I'm gonna crack.
Okay.
Maybe give it about a 4.
Are you gonna try the scorpion? If you don't eat this scorpion right now, you have to get a tattoo of a scorpion on this trip. Oh, really?
Fine.
Shake my hand. Shake my hand. You're getting a tattoo of a scorpion if you don't eat the scorpion right now.
Where are you gonna get it tattooed?
Not a bit.
Shotgun,
Life is good.
you gotta be my someone.
Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'll see you again soon. You ready for the lady boys?
No, dude.